Hello again. So, my last video, we burned some wood in the BioLite Firepit, and someone said, hey, why don't you try charcoal? So, hey, why not? BioLite does not have any recommended method for lighting charcoal or method that they do not approve of. So I am just going to use my charcoal chimney, and we'll get this set up for charcoal and see how this goes. Just turn it the same way. And there's the little hook inside. Cook down a little bit, and then we will see how many burgers we can actually fit on the grill. Currently the fan is at level 2. There is a little bit of smoke, but that's just from the new charcoal, and you know, it's coming more or less straight up. So the fire pit is behaving as I would expect. And as someone who is going to be cooking over this, I have good expectations that this is going to have a nice hot fire, and I'm not getting an excessive amount of smoke in my face currently. This is currently on max, and I wanted to sort of resolve the question of, do I think people could sit around this unit and have a conversation while the fan is blowing? It's on max, so it probably has a couple more minutes of that. It's doing a really good job of moving the heat through the charcoal, igniting the new briquettes. So to answer the question, do I think I could have a conversation? Yes. We'll let this keep going, and it's almost cooking time. Alright, so these burgers are just about done. I'm going to let the cheese melt a little bit more. I'm going to check this bun here. Overall, I'm not displeased with the fire pit for charcoal. Certainly I've had better charcoal grilling experiences. I do think the fans keep the charcoal hotter, but just like with the firewood, it seems to burn through the fuel quite a bit faster. Also, the fans didn't really help the heat spread out. There's still some coals on this side and near the edge that simply didn't get as ignited, didn't get as cooked down as I would have preferred. So for charcoal, for grilling, I'm probably going to give this about a 7 out of 10. Certainly it's better than having to improvise something or not having a charcoal fire pit. It was a little disappointing to have to maneuver the patties on the grill to get 4 of them. I would prefer to have some sort of a cover over the top to help keep the heat in, as though it was a grill. But the vented metal on the sides I think would eliminate a lot of any heat capturing. The fan is currently on high, which is the 3rd setting. I've been having conversation with my friend, and I don't think I've even noticed that it was on. So I'm going to take these off, and I'm going to let the coals cook down, and we're going to have dinner, and I will see you next time.